Welcome back to our channel. If you want to keep your customers coming back for more, you are in the right place because in today's video, we are diving into the world of customer loyalty programs. So let's begin. Now, the first app that we are going to explore is called Smile.io. Now, it offers customizable loyalty programs, referral programs, and VIP programs. It allows you to reward customers for purchases, referrals, and social media management. It integrates well with email marketing platforms, and they have a lot of seamless integrations into Shopify, Shopify Plus, BigCommerce, and Wix. All right, so you don't have to worry because they support most of the platforms nowadays. Now, in terms of customers, as you can see, they have the points for reward customers on every order. The VIP, which it accelerates earnings for your best customers, and the referrals, you can turn loyal customers into brand advocates. And they also offer the Smile Plus in the best of smile design for high volume business. Okay, and in terms of pricing, they are competitive, but you can choose an affordable plan pack with the best features for your business. And again, no long-term contracts, hidden upsells, or haggling requirements. Now, for starter packs, they offer the $49 everything you need to create an on-brand program your customers will love. It's $49, but I suggest you go on the growth plan because from $199 per month, you can get all these perks and advantage that you can use within your store. And if you are ready, just go to your Shopify account, hover down to the App Store, click on Smile.io Loyalty and Rewards Program, log in, install, or install if you are already logged in, and you would be able to get these integrations from the program types, pop-up features, and you can customize the rewards launcher panel and emails to match your brand aesthetic. And you might want to read some of the reviews here to make you an informed decision. The next app that we have is called Yotpo Loyalty and Referrals. It is formerly Swell for those who are familiar with the platform. Now, it provides a comprehensive loyalty and referral solution. It rewards customer for purchases, referrals, and other actions. Like, for example, you can have the case studies, inspiration gallery, and customer success. Now, you check in the platform. As you can see, there are a lot of integrations that you can use. The product has the SMS, wherein you can reach shoppers anywhere with a mobile experiences that converts. And again, the loyalty and referrals, review, and UGC and subscription. That's when you click on the loyalty and referrals. From here, you can build customer rewards and referrals programs to engage existing customers and reach new ones. It's very easy, really, because this one I'm using right now, Yotpo, because it's drag and drop kind of interface. And if you'd like more information, just go to your Shopify account, look for Yotpo Loyalty and Rewards, and from here, all you're gonna do is click on it. So you can have the option to monitor and evaluate your loyalty and referral program and more. You can customize, launch, and manage your loyalty and rewards program with no code. And again, the pricing is a little bit competitive. You can free to install plan available to stores with fewer than 100 monthly orders. But in my case, I'd like to suggest you take the gold plan, which is $199 per month, but you have the dedicated rewards page. You have more ways to earn. You can redeem points at checkout, and the Klaviyo and recharge integration that you might want to take advantage of. GrowWave is basically an app that combines loyalty programs, reviews, wish lists, and more. Now, from here, you can reward customer for purchases, reviews, and social media management. It includes a points and reward system, and they boast an all-in-one marketing app. It provides rich multiple apps in one place, exclusively built for Shopify. And the products, as you can see, they have the loyalty and rewards, wish list, reviews, Instagram UGC. You can upsell purchase post app and integrations. When you click on it, as you can see, you can seamlessly integrate GrowWave to Klaviyo, Recharge, Gorgeous, PostScript, and a lot more. It's not only limited to Shopify, but if you're using a Shopify, that's one of a convenient way to connect it. Now, in terms of pricing, it's a little bit competitive because you have the medium starting package, which is $49 per month, but you have all these features on free plan, right? Right now, the most popular is the growth subscription plan because from here it offers a 24/7 email and live chat support whenever you encounter any problem. But if you want to scale up, just click on premium. And once you are on your Shopify account, search for GrowWave, click on it, and if you are ready, just click on install to increase repeat purchases and retention with a loyalty program, VIP tiers, rewards, and you can acquire more customers organically through the referral program and save on ad spend. And again, just a quick reminder that this is the pricing plans for GrowWave. You might want to check the 2,000 plus reviews to make you an informed decision. The next app that is in our list is called Loyalty Lion. Now, it offers a loyalty program with points, rewards, and referrals. It includes a tiered rewards system to encourage repeat purchases. It provides analytics and insights to track program performance. Now, when we talk about the loyalty and rewards program, it can increase returning customer rate. Their referral program can reach new customers, and the shopper experience gives the customers what they wanted to see. Now, in terms of the analytics, click on it, and the loyalty data here gives you an intuitive dashboard. It helps you take the right actions to keep active members engaged, brings back inactive members, and increase your profits. You can track real revenue generated from your loyalty program, like you can see it from here. And if you wanted to know more information, you can talk to one of their customer consultant. And in terms of the pricing, it's a little bit competitive. It's free for the most part, but if you wanted to take advantage of the classic, which is best for annual store revenue up to 2 million US dollars, these are the pricing. And again, you can talk to a consultant if you wanted to know more and get a free demo. And these are the reasons and the plans that will include some branded loyalty page built by their in-house designers. You can fast-track setup and a pre-built workflows and segments. You can even calculate your potential ROI here. Say, for example, your monthly orders is around maybe 500, and the average value is like $50. And here, this is the estimated and ROI forecast that you can generate yearly. It's cool, right? And again, if you wanted to take advantage of this app, all you're gonna do is go to your Shopify account, click on Loyalty Line Rewards and Programs, log into your Shopify and click on install, and there you have it. You would have the option to integrate your program into your site with a customizable loyalty page and read some of the reviews here to help you make an informed decision. And I believe using a loyalty line to boost returning customer rates with their own loyalty program, it can help improve customer experience because I'm using it right now. It drives a program engagement and positive behaviors with loyalty emails notifications. And the loyalty points can secure second purchases and incentivize enrollment for your loyal customers. And again, you can view the demo store and ask for a consultant to help you guide with their own referral program. And as always, when selecting a loyalty program app in Shopify, you need to consider your specific business needs, the type of rewards you want to offer, and the ease of use for both you and your customers. Additionally, check customer reviews and ratings in the Shopify App Store to ensure that the app aligns with your requirements and provides positive user experience. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next one.